Good morning, friends. In previous class, we are discussing about type number 6, I think, that is Rolle's theorem. And one more theorem, today I am going to deal with one more theorem, that is mean value theorem. Sorry, that is type number 7, that is Rolle's theorem as well as mean value theorem. So, yesterday you know the concept of Rolle's theorem. What is that? The given function is continuous in closed interval AB, differentiable in open interval AB, and one more condition. What is that? F of A is equal to F of B. If that condition is satisfied, then there exists one more point between the number A and B. That number, by taking say in general C, belongs to the interval AB, satisfying the condition f dash c is equal to 0. That is, slope of tangent is parallel to x-axis. That is the statement of Rolle's theorem. Whereas here mean value theorem, that is extension of Rolle's theorem, that is the mean value theorem. So the mean value theorem states that in any way, same concept. Again the given function, let y is equal to f of x be a function. As you know that there are 4 different types of functions, namely algebraic, logarithmic, trigonometric and exponential. Out of 4 they will be given any one. So in general, let y is equal to f of x is any function defined in closed interval a b. A and b are numbers. Okay, such that two conditions are satisfied, namely the given function f of x is continuous in closed interval a b and differentiable in open interval a b. ಇವನ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ ಹೌದಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅದೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ab and differentiable in open interval ab. Both the conditions are satisfied, hence there exists one more point between the numbers a and b. That point, by taking in general c, belongs to the interval ab, satisfying the condition f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Using this concept to find the value of c, that value of c will also belongs to open interval ab. Rolle's theorem alli ಏನಿತ್ತು f dash c is equal to 0 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಬಟ್ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, now the geometrical representation of mean value theorem. Let y is equal to f of x be a curve which is continuous curve. Take 2 points a and b be any 2 points on the curve. From these 2 points draw the ordinate. This is first ordinate, this is second ordinate between the intervals a and b. First ordinate at the point x equal to a, here at the point x equal to b. See, y is equal to f of x be a curve which is continuous curve. At the point x equal to a, y is equal to f of a. Similarly, y is equal to f of x at the point b, that is y is equal to f of b. This is tangent to the curve. Definition of tangent: a line which touches the curve, that line is known as tangent to the curve. Then join AB. AB is secant to the curve, not tangent. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ curve ಕಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರನ್ನ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ secant. ಆ ಲೈನ್ curve ಟಚ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ tangent. This is tangent, that is secant. Now here both the conditions are satisfied, hence there exists one more point c between the interval a and b, such that slope of tangent f dash c is equal to slope of line joining 2 points ab. That is the formula, you know the formula. See, a is a point a comma f of a. Now here the a point, that is coordinates of point a, x axis is a, y axis is f of a. Coordinates of point b, x axis at the point x equal to b, y axis at the point f of b. Okay, now here a is a point a comma f of a, b is a point b comma f of b. Call it as say x1 y1 and here x2 y2. Then slope of tangent represented by f dash c is equal to slope of secant line AB, slope of line joining AB. You know the formula. If A is a point x1 y1, B be a point x2 y2, You know that slope of secant line AB using 2-point formula. Already you have learned in first PU. What is slope of line AB? What is the formula? Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. You know that in first PU, that is in analytical geometry, isn't it? So that is f dash c is equal to, what is y2 value? F of b minus what is y1? F of a divided by what is x2? B minus x1 value a. So slope of tangent is parallel to the secant line. Whereas in Rolle's theorem, slope of tangent is parallel to x-axis. Whereas mean value theorem, that slope of tangent is parallel to secant line or parallel to line joining 2 points by using 2-point formula. Its value is f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ f dash c is equal to 0. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವೆರಿಫೈ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನು ತಗೋಬೇಕು? f dash c is equal to 0 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Verify mean value theorem ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ by taking f dash c is equal to, remember, f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a, because that slope of tangent is not parallel to x-axis, which is parallel to the secant line between 2 points a and b. By using 2-point formula, you know that 2-point formula in first view, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Substituting the value of y2 and y1, x2 and x1, you will get f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Very simple problem. You ಏನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ f dash c is equal to 0 ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು to find the value of c find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ is equal to, remember, f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Okay, now the statement of mean value theorem, I will repeat once again. The given function f of x is equal to, that is f of x is continuous in closed interval ab, differentiable in open interval ab. Both the conditions are satisfied. Obviously it is true. Then there exists, this is notation for there exists one more point. That point says c in between the number a and b, satisfying the condition. Slope of tangent f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. This is nothing but slope of tangent is parallel to the secant line between a and b. Now geometrical meaning of mean value theorem states that there is a point c between the number a and b such that slope of tangent is same as, means is equal to slope of secant line between a and b. How to solve slope of secant line? By using 2-point formula, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Substituting the value of y2 y1 and x2 y1 x2 and x1, you will get f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Confusion ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು? ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ is equal to 0 ತಗೊಂಡು c ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. that value of c belongs to that interval. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ using that condition. What is that? f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Again, to find the value of c, that value of c will also belongs to the open interval a and b. Okay, this is the statement of mean value theorem. Based on this, by solving some simple problems, 3 more question out of 2 theorems, Rolle's theorem as well as mean value theorem. Out of 2, they will be asked any one theorem. No proof, only remember that statement. Based on that statement, by solving some simple problems. Okay. So based on the statement of mean value theorem, now problem number 1, verify mean value theorem for the function. First problem, f of x is equal to x squared. X belongs to closed interval 2, 4. Now very important sum, that is 3 mark question. They will be asked in final exam. Practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ನೋಡಿ ಹ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನ? Look here. So given data, first problem, given data f of x is equal to x square. X belongs to closed interval 2 comma 4. This is a value, that is b value. Okay. Now clearly it is polynomial. It is quadratic. It is polynomial. So clearly the function f of x, CL1 means clearly the function f of x is continuous function in closed interval a comma b, means 2 comma 4. Next to differentiable, it is also differentiable function in open interval a comma b, that is 2 comma 4. Differentiable, differentiate f dash x is equal to f of x is x square. F dash x is nothing but dy by dx. What is derivative of x square? 2x. Okay. Next, to find f of b and f of a. F of b, that is f of b value 4. Okay. Put x equal to 4 in given data. 4 square, that is 16. Then to find f of a. F of a value 2. Put x is 2. 2 square, 4. Okay. Now both the conditions are satisfied. Then mean value theorem states that then there exists a point, say C belongs to open interval a comma b value 2 comma 4, such that, what is the formula? Such that slope of tangent is equal to slope of secant line AB, that is f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a, implies f dash c is equal to, what is f of b? F of b value 16. What is f of a? 4 divided by b minus a, b value 4 minus a value 2. Now this implies f dash x is equal to 2x. Instead of x, here the term c. F dash x is equal to 2x. X place c. Another 2c is equal to 16 minus 4, 12. 4 minus 2, 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are. So that 2c is equal to 6. Divide by 2, c is equal to 6 divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 threes are, c is equal to 3. Verify that 3 belongs to open interval 2 comma 4. Yes, hence it verifies mean value theorem. Very simple problem, 3 mark. Okay. Second problem, verify mean value theorem for the function f of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3 between closed interval 1 comma 4. Now given f of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3. Clearly it is polynomial function, it is quadratic function. Clearly the polynomial function is always continuous, that is f of x is continuous function in closed interval 1 comma 4, and differentiable function in open interval 1 comma 4. Then differentiate, and f dash x is equal to, f dash x is nothing but dy by dx. Then differentiate ಮಾಡಿ, derivative of x square 2x minus 4 constant, derivative of x with respect to x1 minus derivative of 3 constant 0, that is 2x minus 4. Okay. Next, to find f of b value and f of what is b? This is a value, that is b value. B value is 4. Put x equal to 4 in given function. 4 square minus 4 into 4 minus 3, that is equal to 4 square 16. 4 4 are 16 minus 3. 16 cancel. How much? Minus 3. Okay. Then to find f of a. What is a value? A value is 1. Put x equal to 1 in given function. 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 3. 1 square 1 minus 4 minus 3. Extract 1 minus 4 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. Now mean value theorem states that there exists a point C belongs to interval 1 comma 4 such that f dash c is equal to, you know the formula, f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Substitute the value. What is f of b? F of b value minus 3 minus, what is f of a? Minus 6 divided by b minus a. B value 4, a value 1, implies f dash x is equal to 2x minus 4. Instead of x, here the term c. X बदली लेंगे c रे. अगर इन्हें तो 2c minus 4. Correct? Minus 3 minus into minus plus 6. 4 minus 1 3 implies 2c minus 4 is equal to minus 3 plus 6. 3 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are. That is 2c minus 4 is equal to 1. Implies 2c is equal to 1. Minus 4 transfer it plus 4. So that 2c is equal to 1 plus 4 5. Divide by 2. C is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is nothing but 2.5. Whether 2.5 belongs to open interval 1 comma 4? Yes. It verifies mean value theorem. Third problem. Verify mean value theorem for the function f of x is equal to x cube minus 5x square minus 3 in the closed interval 1 comma 3. Now given f of x is equal to x cube minus 5x square minus 3 in the closed interval 1 comma 3. So 1 is a value, 3 is b value. B value is 3. Now here it is polynomial function. You know that every polynomial function is continuous function. So clearly f of x is continuous function in closed interval 1 comma 3. Differentiable in open interval 1 comma 3. Then differentiate f dash x. F dash x is nothing but dy by x. Differentiate. What is derivative of x cube? You know the formula. What is that? 3x square. Power 3 has this index 3 is one number less one. Minus derivative of 5x square. 5 2s are 10. X power 2 is 1 less 1. That is 10x. Minus derivative of 3. Constant 0. That is 3x square minus 10x. Okay. Then to find f of b. What is b value? 3. F of 3 is equal to, put x equal to 3 in given data. 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square minus 3. This type of 3 cube 127. 3 square 9. 9 5s are 45 minus 3 is equal to 27 minus 3 24. 24 minus 45 minus 21. Correct? Oh, f of b. B value is, f of a, a value is 1, put x equal to 1, 1 cube minus 5 into 1 square minus 3, 1 cube 1 minus 1 square 1 into 5 5 minus 3, 1 minus 5 minus 4 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. No real equal, no relay f of b, f of a not equal. Now this mean value theorem states that there exists one more point. C belongs to the interval 1 comma 3, satisfying the condition slope of tangent is equal to slope of secant line AB, that is f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. Now substitute the value. What is f of b? Minus 21 minus f of a is minus 7 divided by b minus a. B value 3, a value 1 implies f dash x is equal to 3x square minus 10x. What is f dash c? Put x equal to c. 3c square minus 10c is equal to minus 21 minus into minus plus 7 divided by 2. Implies 3c square minus 10c is equal to minus 21 plus 7 minus how much? That is 16, 14. Correct? Minus 14 by 2. That is minus 7. Correct? So that value is minus 7. Implies 3c square minus 10c, take equal on right side, plus 7 is equal to 0. It is quadratic. It has two roots. Splitting up middle term, 7 into 3, 21. If you multiply by any two number, you get 21. Add that same number, you get 10. Those numbers are 7 3s are or 3 7s are. 7 3s are 21. 7 plus 3, 10. So how to write? 3c square minus plus 3c minus 7c, minus 3c minus 7c plus 7 is equal to 0. Among those two, Take 3c common, c minus 1 minus 7 common, c minus 1 is equal to 0. Implies first factor 3c minus 7, second factor c minus 1 is equal to 0. Either 3c minus 7 is equal to 0 or c minus 1 is equal to 0. 3c is equal to 7 or c is equal to 1. Here c is equal to 7 by 3 or c is equal to 1. We got two roots. Now verify. First you take 1 to whether 1 belongs to open interval 1 comma 3. No. Open interval 1 comma 3 means what? Between 1 and 3. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 7 by 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 point something. Whether 2 point something belongs to that interval? Yes. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಒಂದೇ ರೂಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. 1 comma 3. ಈ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. It verifies mean value theorem. Okay. Next one, problem number 4. Verify mean value theorem for the function. Simple question. F of x equal to x square plus 2x plus 3 in closed interval 4 comma 6. Given data f of x equal to x square plus 2x plus 3, x belongs to 4 comma 6. 4 is a value, 6 is b value. Okay. Now clearly it is polynomial, it is continuous function in closed interval 4 comma 6, differentiable in open interval 4 comma 6. Then to find differentiate f dash x, then differentiate ಮಾಡಿ. What is derivative of x square? 2x plus 2 constant, derivative of x with respect to x 1 plus derivative of 3 constant 0, that is 2x plus. Then to find f of b value is today 6. Put x equal to 6 in given function, not f dash x. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. ಆ 6 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಗಿವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ 6 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ plus 2 into 6 plus 3. 6 square 36 plus 2 into 6 12 plus 3. How much? 36 plus 12 48. 48 plus 3 51. F of a value 4. Put x equal to 4. 4 square plus 2 into 4 plus 3. 4 square 16. 2 4s are 8 plus 3. 16 plus 8 24. 24 plus 3 27. Then mean value theorem states that there is a point C belongs to the interval 4 comma 6 such that f of f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. That is f dash c is equal to, what is f of b value? 51. F of a 27. B minus a 6 minus 4. F dash c is equal to 51 minus 27 4, that is 24, correct? 6 minus 4 2. But f dash c value f dash x is 2x plus 2. F dash c 2c plus 2 is equal to 2 1s are 2 12s are, that is 12. Implies 2c is equal to 12. 2 transfer it minus 2. 2c is equal to 12 minus 2 10. C is equal to divide by 2. 10 by 2, that is 5. Therefore c is equal to 5. Verify whether 5 number belongs to open interval 4 comma 6. Yes, it verifies mean value theorem. Okay. Problem number 5. Verify mean value theorem for the function f of x is equal to root of x square minus 4 between the closed interval 2 comma 4. Now given f of x is equal to square root of x square minus 4. X belongs to closed interval 2 comma 4. 2 is the value of a, 4 is the value of b. Now clearly it is polynomial. Now that is the function f of x is continuous in closed interval 2 comma 4, differentiable in open interval 2 comma 4, and f dash x is equal to f dash x is nothing but dy by x. Differentiation of root x square minus 4. There are two friends. First friend root, second friend x square minus 4. You know that what is derivative of root? 1 divided by 2 root of x square minus 4 into another friend, derivative of x square 2x minus derivative of 4 constant 0, that is 2x minus 0 2x divided by 2 into root of x square minus 4. 2 cancel. X divided by root of x square minus 4. Now to find f of b. What is b value? 4. Put x equal to 4 in given data under root of 4 square minus 4. That is 4 square is 16 minus 4. That is root 12. Root 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Why was 4 into 3 is nothing but 12. But square root of 4 is 2 into root 3. Then f of a value 2. Put x equal to 2. Root of 2 square minus 4. 2 square 4 minus 4. That is 0. Then mean value theorem states that there is a point C belongs to the interval 2, 4 such that f dash c is equal to f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a. That is f dash c is equal to f of b value 2 root 3, f of a value 0 divided by b minus a, b value 4, a value 2, 4 minus 2 implies f dash c is equal to 2 root 3 divided by 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 cancel. Since f dash x is equal to x bar root x square minus 4, instead of x, here return c. X is the c substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ c by root of c square minus 4 is equal to root 3. Okay, cross multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. c is equal to root 3 into root of c square minus 4. Cross multiply. Now eliminate root. So what can you do? Squaring on both sides. ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ. c square is equal to root 3 square 3. Root of c square minus 4 whole square is c square minus 4. Correct? Implies c square is equal to 3c square. 3 4s are 12. Implies c square, take equal on right side, minus 3c square plus 12 is equal to 0. c square minus 3c square minus 2c square plus 12 is equal to 0. That is, this implies minus 2c square is equal to minus 12. Plus 12 goes towards side minus 12. c square is equal to, divide both sides by minus 2. Minus 12 divided by minus 2. C square is equal to 2 1s are 2 6 are minus plus. Therefore, c is equal to root 6. Verify whether root 6 belongs to open interval 2, 4. Yes, because root 4 value 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Root 4 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Root 9 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Root 9 3 ನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದಾಗ root 6 3 ಗಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. In between 2 and 4. Yes, so it verifies mean value theorem. Okay. One more problem. Last problem in this result. Verify mean value theorem for the function f of x is equal to 3 factors x minus 3, x minus 6, x minus 9 in a closed interval 3, 5. Now how to solve given data? F of x is equal to x minus 3, x minus 6, x minus 9. X belongs to closed interval 3, 5. This is a value, that is b value. Okay. Now first to reduce it. Now convert these 3 factors into single polynomial. How to convert? First term write as it is. Multiply those two terms. You are going to multiply x into x, x square. X into minus 9, minus 9x. Minus 6 into x, minus 6x. Totally minus 15x. Minus 6 into minus 10, 6 9s are 54. Again multiply those two, x into x, x cube, x into 15x minus 15x square, x into 54, 54x. Then minus 3 into x square minus 3x square, minus 3 into minus 15 minus into minus plus, 15 3s are 45x, minus 3 into 54 minus 3 into 54, 3 4s are 12, 1, that is 160. So that is f of x is equal to x cube minus 15x square minus 3x square minus 18x square. 54x plus 45x plus 99x, correct? Minus 160. This is polynomial. Now clearly the function f of x is continuous in closed interval 3, 5, differentiable in open interval 3, 5, and differentiate f dash x is equal to f dash x is nothing but dy by dx. Differentiation of x cube you know that is 3x square. Differentiation of 18x square multiply those two. 18 2s are 36x. Differentiation of 99x is 99. Derivative of x with respect to x is 1 minus derivative of 162 constant 0. Now that is equal to 3x square minus 36x plus 99. Okay. Now to find f of b and f of a. F of b. What is b value? 5. Put x equal to 5 in given function. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದರ ಮತ್ತೆ it takes time. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡಿ. x value 5 ಹಾಕಿ 5 minus 3. ಇದು 5 minus 6. Here 5 minus 9. 5 minus 3 2. 5 minus 6 minus 1. 5 minus 9 minus 4. Minus 3 minus plus 4 1 is 4. 4 2 is 8. F of a. B value is today 3. Put x equal to 3. 3 minus 3 into 3 minus 6 into 3 minus 9. 3 minus 3 is 0. 3 minus 6 minus 3. 3 minus 9 minus 6. How much? 0 into any number? 0. So, therefore, mean value states that there exists a point C belongs to open interval 3, 5 such that the condition, what is the condition? Slope of tangent, that is f dash c is equal to slope of secant line between a and b, f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a, implies f dash c is equal to, what is f of b? A. What is it? F of a value 0. B minus a, 5 minus, implies f dash c. F dash x is 3x square minus 36x plus 99. Put x equal to c. F dash c आते 3c square minus 36c plus 99 is equal to, here 8 minus 0 8, 5 minus 3 2, 2 1s are 2 4s are, that is 4. Therefore 3c square minus 36c plus 99 is equal already minus 4. 99 minus 4. 95 is equal to 0. It is quadratic. It has two roots. Now splitting up middle, 95 3s are 285. If you multiply by any two number, you get 285. Add that same number, you get 36. Now the termination ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಾವು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು 3 ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ಇರಲಿ 3 ದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So then it cannot be factorized. So how to solve? Apply Sridharacharya rule, name of scientist, Sridhar's rule. ನೆನಪಿದೆ ಹೆಸರು a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 36, c is equal to 95. Apply Sridharacharya rule. C is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is quadratic formula. ಹೌದಾ? C is equal to minus b value minus 36 plus or minus b square minus 36 square minus 4, a value 3, c value 95 divided by 2 into a value 3. Simplify minus into minus plus 36 plus or minus root of 36 square. 36 into 36. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? That is 1296. Correct? Minus 95 3s are 27 28 into 4. 4 5s are 20. 4 8s are 32 plus 2 34 3. 4 2s are 8 plus 3 11. 11 40. Correct and note check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವು 2 into 3 6. That is 36 plus or minus root 1296 minus 1140 6 5 1 that is 156 divided by 6 156 split ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 36 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆನಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸೊ 26 6 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ 26 6 ಬಟ್ 26 ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ 4 ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡೋಣ 36 plus or minus 4 into 4 3s are 12 9 into 4 9s are correct divided by 6 that is 36 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 into root 39 divided by 6 ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇನ್ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋಣಲ್ಲ ಸೊ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 13 plus or minus root 39 divided by 6 2 1s are 2 3s are c is equal to there are two values 13 by 3 plus root 39 by 3 ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು c is equal to 13 by 3 minus root 39 by 3 ಇವೆರಡರಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಒಂದು ರೂಟ್ ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ 13 by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ 3 point something ಹೌದಾ root 39 by 3 root 39 ಈಗ root 36 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 6 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ root 39 root 49 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಮಿಡಲ್ 6 and 7 ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 point something ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 point something ಆಯ್ತು ಇದು 2 point something ಇದು 3 point something 3 point something plus 2 point something 5 point something and 5 point something belongs to that interval no more than 5 ಅಂತಂತಾರೆ ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಹೌದಲ್ರಿ ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 13 by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4 point something ಇದು 2 point something 6 by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 point something ಇದೆಷ್ಟಾಗಿದ್ದು 4 point something minus 2 point something 2 point some value 2 point some value ಇದರ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಎರಡಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು 13 by 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 point some number 4 that is 3 4s are 12 1 into 3 3s are 4.33 ಹೌದಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದು ರೂಟ್ 39 by 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ರೂಟ್ 49 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 2.07 ಓಕೆ ಎರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲ 2.07 ಎರಡು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 6 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಬಟ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 3, 5 ಇದು ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ರಿ 4.35 minus 2.07 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಅಗೇನ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಏನಿದೆ root 156 among those two any one value ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ see here 1296 minus 1140 correct ಇದೆನಾ 6 9 minus 4 5 1 156 4 4 4 3s are 12 divided 4 9s are ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ 2 root 39 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ yes ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ ನೋಡಿ 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ not 13 that is 18 ಹೌದಾ 18 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 18 2s are 36 correct so this is 18 by 18 by 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 6 plus 2 point something 8 point something ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ second one say 18 by 3 6 minus 2 point something 4 point something yes now ಬರುತ್ತೆ second one therefore c is equal to 18 by 3 minus root 39 by 3 belongs to the interval 3, 5. It verifies mean value theorem. This is miscellaneous problem. ಇದನ್ನೇ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೇಳಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಬೈ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಲಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಭಾಳ ಲೆಂದಿ ಆಯ್ತು ಅನಿವಾರ್ಯ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೇನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ 2 to 3 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪದೇ ಪದೇ ನೀವು ನೋಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ